We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of the bottom of our own ocean. And honestly, once you see what lives down there, you might understand why we stopped looking. Deep in the pitch black, where the water pressure can crush a submarine like a soda can, animals had to get weird to survive. Today, we are ranking 8 real ocean creatures that prove you don't need a spaceship to find aliens. They are already swimming right here on Earth. Coming in at number 1 is the pistol shrimp. This guy is tiny, only about 2 inches long, but he comes armed with a biological sniper rifle. One of its claws is massive. When it snaps this claw shut, it shoots a jet of water so fast that it creates a cavitation bubble. When that bubble collapses, for a split second, it generates a flash of light and reaches temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun. It literally shoots plasma at its enemies. Number 2, the Goblin Shark. This thing looks like a prehistoric mistake. It hangs out in the deep dark ocean and has a long sword-like nose covered in sensors to detect the electrical currents of other fish. But that isn't the creepy part. When it finds a fish, its entire jaw detaches from its skull and shoots forward out of its mouth to snatch the prey. It is the closest thing to the xenomorph from the movie Alien that actually exists on Earth. Number 3 is the Barreleye Fish. Imagine if the top half of your skull was made of clear glass. That is exactly how this fish operates. It lives in the deep sea, and the entire top of its head is a transparent, fluid-filled dome. Those 2 little spots on the front of its face, those are just nostrils. Its actual eyes are 2 giant glowing green orbs buried deep inside its clear head, constantly looking straight up to spot shadows above. Number 4, the Peacock Mantis Shrimp. This creature is beautiful, colorful, and a certified weapon of mass destruction. While humans have 3 types of color-receptive cones in our eyes, the mantis shrimp has 16. It sees colors we cannot even comprehend. It also has 2 spring-loaded clubs that it punches with the acceleration of a .22 caliber bullet. It punches so hard it can shatter aquarium glass. Do not try to pet the rainbow punch bug. Number 5 is the famous anglerfish. You know this one, the terrifying teeth and the glowing fishing rod attached to its forehead. But here's the bizarre fact. Every single terrifying anglerfish you have ever seen is female. The males are tiny, harmless little blobs. When a male finds a female, he bites onto her side, releases an enzyme that melts his face into her body, and he physically fuses with her forever. Romance in the deep sea is wild. Number 6, the Bobbit Worm. This is pure nightmare fuel. It can grow up to 10 feet long, but you will never see its whole body because it buries itself vertically in the ocean floor. Only its terrifying scissor-like jaws stick out of the sand. It waits perfectly still until a fish swims by, then snaps out like a bear track, often slicing its prey completely in half before dragging it down into the mud. Number 7, the vampire squid. Despite the scary name, it doesn't drink blood and it doesn't even have ink. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone, where almost nothing else can survive. When a predator attacks it, it doesn't swim away. Instead, it pulls its webbed arms up over its head, turning completely inside out to reveal a cloak of terrifying fleshy spikes. It basically turns into a spiky umbrella to say, "Do not eat me." And finally, number 8, the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the Immortal Jellyfish. If this jellyfish gets sick, injured, or just feels too old, it sinks to the ocean floor and pulls off the ultimate magic trick. It transforms its adult cells back into baby cells. It literally ages backwards into a polyp and then grows up all over again. It's biologically immortal. As long as it doesn't get eaten, it can loop its life forever. So if you thought the ocean was just a nice place to go surfing, think again. Which of these underwater aliens is the most terrifying? Drop a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.